Things change and people too. If I had a minute with you. Time walker, time walker, time walker, time walker. Hey YouTube, we're going to do just a quick lesson today. I've been busy, I haven't had much time to do lessons, but the song is called Time Walk. It's by Bnny or Bunny, I'm not sure, B-N-N-Y. I got some reverb on my guitar sound, but otherwise I'm just using my single coil bridge pickup. I'm just playing an A chord, but we're playing, instead of playing an A on the second, we're playing it at the 14. We're just playing a D, G, B. So you're muting the high E, and you're kind of just, when you start strumming, just strum from the D string down, because you don't want to play the A string. This is the verse. And then we're going down to the G. From this A, G's at the 12. That's the verse. And then you're muting on the offbeat. So like if you looked at my fingers this way, I would be like, I'm releasing, and then I'm pressing down when I want to hear it. Try to feel it. But it's good to be able to count it if you need to. So you play the 1, 2, and then 3, 4, you're just doing that scratch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Things change and people too. If I had a minute with you. And then the chorus, it's got goes to a straight 4 beat. Starts on G. Time walker, time walker. So you can play on all downbeats. Starting on the G. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're back in the verse. Cool song. This is not a request. This is a song that I listen to. It's pretty easy, but you have to do this the syncopated strumming. But it's all right. Thanks. Have fun. Bye.